Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video it's gonna be an unboxing of my niece Bibi. We're gonna see the quality of this piece right now, how it look. I also gonna show you guys the insert that I got, and I'm gonna leave you the link down below where you can find these pieces if you are interested. I'm gonna show you guys how I accessorize this beauty, so stay tuned because I hope you love it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the little unboxing right now, so check it out. Hey guys, if you are new here, welcome. Consider subscribing because over here you can find unboxing, hauls, product reviews, home decor and more. And if you are one of my subscribers that have been there for a little bit, thank you very much. I appreciate you so much, and thank you to those that subscribed recently. Over here is the bags, right? I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing. So okay, this is how it came, like you saw in the unboxing right there. And this is the beautiful piece. I'm in love with this, and I'm glad that I was able to purchase it because this is very durable, the canvas, and I love this. So I do not planning in use it as a bag or nothing like that. It's just to like travel and put my stuff in here. Okay, I just love it. I love it, and I think, you know what, let me just upgrade to that. And I hope I have it for a long time. It was very hard to get it. I was calling customer service everywhere and nobody had it, no any store. So I contacted my CA, so he told me that he had one and he gonna get it for me, but it was like Friday or Thursday, so he wasn't working, and he saved it for me, and on Monday I was able to purchase it. And I was a little bit scared because I sent him a message and he didn't answer right away, so I didn't want to waste time. So I called customer service and they didn't have any. So they say was one in the store where my CA work. So they say, okay, we're gonna put your name so they can call you in between 24 to 48 hours. But I was like, okay, hopefully my CA get to. So somebody called me, which wasn't my CA, and they say, oh, we don't have any, but we have the nano, I think they say. I'm like, oh, thank you very much, but no, I'm not interested in the nano, so thank you. Yeah, that's what this story. So then my essay contact me on Monday, so he's the best. He's so sweet and he's the best. When he says something, it's because it is. I purchased it right away and I'm very happy with it. So he was awesome. Okay, I didn't want to go over his head. I just want to make sure it was one because I thought he didn't gonna answer on time. But yeah, he did later on after I contact everybody, you know. He answered back and he said, yeah, don't worry, I have one and we save it for you. So it's made in Italy. Yeah, I don't have no problem with that. It's in a perfect, beautiful condition. So I love it, okay? I love it. Let me move back. So, because I want to do something with this one. So I love it. So now I really want to get the Nice Mini. Yeah, I love that one. Did you watch my confidential Bandeau in light pink unboxing? Is this one right here. I mentioned there that I bought it specific for one purpose, which it was to accessorize this beauty right here. Okay, and this is the way that I planned to use it, but because of course it have the bachera leather and it's gonna patina eventually, but I want to take care of it because I don't want that to get water stain or nothing like that, you know. And in the way I'm gonna do it, I'm just gonna put it like this in half, and I'm gonna wrap in the middle. So I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna wrap in the middle, so it's gonna be like this. Okay, I'm gonna put it in same side and I'm just gonna do this, and it's very big, so then I'm gonna just grab one part and keep rolling it and rolling it and rolling it. I don't want to use, let me see. Oh, I did it. There you go, I did it. In that way, I can cover that part right here, which is, I did it kind of like a little bit, and I covered in that. So now I have this part right here, which is the other half, and I'm gonna roll it. I like this Bandeau and twirl because it helps to accessorize in a cute way your product, your pieces, plus it helps you to take care of them. I hope that's it. So let me see, you guys follow me there. It's hard, I can't really, let me see if I can do with this one. Not too short, so I'm gonna have to cut it here and do it here. Okay, let's see if this one. Okay, look at that, I'm impressed. Okay, so I did a few times for my brother girlfriend. She have a poche métis. I did it for her, it come out very good, and I did it for a few of one on my Chanel bag and Louis Vuitton bag. I did the Alma BB, but I didn't know. Looks perfect, but you guys can have the idea. You just have to kind of like play with it. I like this side better because it don't move, it doesn't move from there, so it covers that leather right there, but this one kind of like a move. So, but it look beautiful. This is exactly for what I want, this Bandeau. And I guess when I had to open it, I just put this back so it don't damage it or nothing. And then I open it, I do what I need to do, and then when I finish, I just put it down. And it looks beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, guys. I just love it. I hope you guys like it. Look at that. I just love it. Okay, and this is right here, the insert that I got. And this is a ZOMMONI insert because easy access to it. And I was able to purchase through Amazon. It took like 2 weeks, okay, but let me open it. This is the piece right here. Oof. I was able to do everything through Amazon, which is very nice. This is not sponsored or anything like that. I just went on Amazon and I looked for the insert for the niece baby. And I saw ZOMMONI. I hear a lot of nice review about it, so I decided to purchase it. Okay, and here it is. So cute. Oh, I love it. You say thank you. Thank you, card. And a whole, oh, this is beautiful. Oh, it's so detailed. So it have all these letters. Thank you. We hope that you enjoy your creation as much as we have enjoyed customizing it for you. You have helped to make us who we are today, and for that we are forever grateful. You are our favorite people in the world, and we love you. Love, ZOMMONI. Give you all the information. So this is beautiful, pretty detailed. I will say this for sure. And this is right here what I ordered. You have the choice to do all the inside or not. Oh, that cutie right here. It comes with. Love it. And let's put it. I have my bag right here. I actually also I decided to get it too for help this niece baby to give it shape. It comes with this, right? And you have different packets here and one here, but I definitely won't be using that. I'm probably gonna use this one up here, but I think this is better. Whoa, it fits perfect. Wow, I love it. Yeah, look at that. This is the color that I choose, so I make sure it's light because I'm able in that way to see what I have in here. And I like a light color. I don't know, for some reason it fits perfectly, and you can see already give a shape to the pouch. Beautiful, perfect. I had to take this off. Yes, it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I love it. Thank you, ZOMMONI. If they watch my video one day and decide to sponsor me. But okay, it's beautiful. I really recommend it. You will be happy. I'm very happy with the insert. Very, very happy. I definitely will keep purchasing from them. I really wanted the niece mini. The mini. And I definitely gonna find a insert. Let me put this back here. And yes, let me know down in the comment below what you think about this, if this is a good idea, if you will done this to you nice baby or mini or nano, whatever one you have, and if you like Bandeaus and what you would like to use it for. Don't forget to smile because you are beautiful. Subscribe, share this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and see you here soon. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.